It's game over. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 61.62 cents, right? A crazy dump yesterday. Not only XRP obviously, but everything else, guys. Especially why? Because Bitcoin dumped, as we can see. Seems like a possible recovery on the horizon, hopefully. I'm not even too worried, guys, right? A lot of people got liquidated and people are selling all sorts of stuff. Now I'm not sure if this is 100% legit from Baba Cooks, but sold all of my XRP. See what happens in a week, right? I mean, I don't know. Maybe he has a trading bag, right? Remember, for me personally, I have a trading bag and what's it called? A hodl bag, right? So I don't confuse the two. Big Short gave you guys a heads up. Why? Because he stated darker before dawn, right? Things are going to get more worse before we see the sunlight. It just in, and then we can see people getting liquidated, guys. Hundreds of millions of dollars, right? But it seems like these riddlers are on target. Why? You just can't make this stuff up. Now, guys, we're one part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting. Why? Because today is 12/11/21, right? Ripple is headquartered in San Francisco. Oh, you don't say, guys? Look at this from David Schwartz right here. Joel Katz. Today's the first day for Ripple's new San Francisco global headquarters. Wait, what? SF, as we can see, the HQ. Wow, right? Looks amazing. You guys can see the Ripple logo over there. But what are the chances, guys? Right? Again, how did the riddlers know? I mean, guys, that's so weird, right? Because did David Schwartz wake up today thinking, "Oh, I'm gonna go to the Ripple headquarters, guys, and just snap 4 images, right? 4 pictures and tweet them out." Well, 12/11/21, a 2-year delta, right? Insane stuff. I don't know. Okay, so here we have to talk about the events, guys, because I couldn't believe my face. What's happening, right? Elon Musk literally confirmed us with the events that's incoming, guys. In today's video, it's all about the events, right? Tied in with the Riddler connections. But from Elon Musk, damn brain. So I breathe air for you. I pump blood for you. I filter waste for you. And then the brain. So those are the different organs. But then we got the brain right here. The collapse is inevitable. Buy more food and ammo. What is this, guys? Right? Elon Musk just confirmed that what? The collapse is imminent. It's coming, guys, right? And to buy more food and possibly ammo, right? I don't know about that, but maybe food it should be a good thing to store, guys, or water as well. But I'm not going to do that. As we do know, the collapse is inevitable. Why is Elon Musk talking about a lot of the collapse, right? Roman Empire, all sorts of stuff recently, right? What's it called? Cybertruck as well. So I don't know. It seems like something's coming, guys. What is? It's already beginning, right? It's already happened. New China cyber army invading critical United States services like power grids, water utilities. Wait, what? Right? You can't make this stuff up. It's actually happening. Look at this. I'm done, guys. Who said it first? Right? They're going to pull one of these narratives, one of these cards, and play it and tie it in with the collapse.
Post reveals hackers affiliated with China's People's Liberation Army have infiltrated critical services here in the U.S.
Alexandra Hoff joins us now from our nation's capital. Alex, this is not good.
No, it's not. I mean, this infiltration appears to be part of a broader effort to insert chaos into our logistical systems. The information collected could then be weaponized if the U.S. and China were to become engaged directly in the Pacific. According to reporting from the Washington Post citing multiple U.S. and industry security officials, China's cyber army is invading critical U.S. services, like an attempt to break into the system behind Texas's independent power grid. Other victims include a water utility in Hawaii, a West Coast port, and at least one oil and gas pipeline, according to that report you're seeing there. Brendan Wells, executive director of the Department of Homeland Security cybersecurity agency, told the Washington Post this, quote, "It is very clear that Chinese attempts to compromise critical infrastructure are in part to pre-position themselves to be able to disrupt or destroy that critical infrastructure in the event of a conflict, either cause societal chaos inside the United States to affect our decision-making around a crisis." The report notes that over the past year, hackers affiliated with the People's Liberation Army in China have accessed the computer systems of about 24 critical entities.
So obviously when we're talking about a collapse, guys, right? Well, what type of collapse are they talking about? Well, a societal collapse, right? And then, which will tie into the economy shutting down. So do we see what's happening here? Not only that, Mr. Poole once again warned us, guys, anonymous, right? the infrastructure will go down. Literally, that's why Schwab stated a cyberspace attack is so much worse than the 2020 thing, right? Because we're talking about everything going down, guys. As we see right here, more connections from Mr. Poole, right? Hackers and all these narratives coming into play. And here's a visual of what happened, I think. Unprecedented cyber attack possibly by China on the United States, rapidly escalating, as you guys can see. A visual right there. From Big Short, everything in life occurs abruptly. It truly does, guys, doesn't it? Right now, this pertains towards anything in life, guys. Towards the economy, right? Relationships, one's life, right? Family issues, anything, guys, right? So anything can be flipped on its head, right? One day, everything's online, but the next day, everything can be offline. Right, but I noticed something about these accounts. I'm going to be talking about it in another video, not now though. Right, everything changes in a blink of an eye. Anything, guys. It could literally, it connects to anything, right, in your life. Now, check this out though. If we thought the cyber attacks were one thing, guys, it seems like it's all space planned, right, ahead of time, because Netflix came out with this movie. This is not a test, guys. Leave the World Behind is now on Netflix, okay? So Netflix came out with a new movie called Leave the World Behind, okay? I'm not going to be playing these, the trailer, but it's about what? Look at this. Cyber attacks, right? We all know they all love nothing more than chaos and confusion in the dark. Leave the World Behind. This movie is about no internet, no phones, no going back to normal. Who can you trust at the world's end? No phones, no internet, guys. No going back to normal. What just happened, right? If a cyber attack were to occur, which 1,000% is guaranteed at this point, it just happened today. Everything's going to go down, guys, and this is where they possibly will transition the world to that new financial system, right? I'm thinking if it does happen, it's going to be like days max, if not weeks, right? Probably just days, guys, but it's going to be horrific, right? 2024 elections inbound as well, so many different things. Now, within this movie, though, we see right here, #1 movie trending on Netflix, right? But we are the crazy ones. White Lion shows right there. When you type in White Lion Gematria, what shows up? XRP Moon. Can't make that stuff up. So perhaps, what's it called? Perhaps when the cyber attacks, like we've been saying, guys, it's all about the events, right? That's what I'm looking for, not for towards, but that's what I'm looking. That's what I'm being prepared for. Are the events, right? Because that will tell us when we are close to that transition. And it seems like we're getting closer than ever before, guys. Right? And that's when, in a new financial system, XRP possibly moons. Before then, I hope at least double digits, right? Moon can mean different things to different people, right? Moon can mean $10 to some. Moon can mean $100 to others. And moon can mean $1,000 to a few, right? So, most important scene in the new movie, Leave the World Behind, basically telling you this is what's upcoming, guys, right? And the system will switch. So I skimmed through this, and they talk about how there are hackers, right? Satellites going down happen to our satellites, and then so you think that the hackers or whatever knocked out our satellites, guys, right? No phones, nothing. I haven't watched the movie, but maybe you guys should check it out, right? Again, these things are all subliminal programming, guys. Not to mention, you guys know that agency, right? The WEF has predicted their war game scenario, which is what? Cyberspace Polygon, guys. And it will occur before 2025. There we go, right? Possibly ties into the collapse. If not, they're going to pull out another card. We stated that they can't use the same excuse from before, right? Cough, cough. They have to pull out a new event, a new type of scenario, a new card. in the deck, i.e. most likely during the 2024 election year. Oh wow. Oh, is that why Elon Musk stated 2024 will not occur, right, pertaining towards elections? And this is insane stuff, guys, right? I can't, again, could be used as cover for the coming economic collapse, guys, right? And then they're going to blame someone else. Crazy stuff. And then, right, so people, not to mention, guys, I've been scrolling through Twitter and literally everyone's talking about this movie, right? Not just one account, but it seems like everyone is. People are saying it's an interesting movie, right? Predictive programming. Not to mention, there is no going back to normal. What does that mean, guys? Right? That means that when the events take place, what happened during 2020, right? Nothing seems normal, does it? No, it doesn't, guys. Which means a new system is on the horizon. That's all it means, right? And then that will be set as the what? New space normal. It's quite simple, if you ask me, right? Oh, and not to mention who produced it, guys. The Space Obamas. What? Right? So it's a movie about apocalypse, right? An apocalypse, as you guys can see. I mean, it's all in plain sight, guys, right? This is why Elon Musk got his Starlink running, the perfect puppet. I'm just saying, not financial advice, not anything advice. So, technological blackouts, right? So don't forget about the blackouts. They're going to go after everything, guys. So are they trying to tell us something, right? Trying to get ahead of something. Remember, we're talking about Space Obama, right? Is he in the know? Probably. Why? He literally made a movie about what we've been talking about for years now, right? Listen to a direct quote from the movie. Quote, a conspiracy theory about a shadowy group of people running the world is far too lazy of an explanation, especially when the truth is far scarier. No one is in control. No one is pulling the strings. When events like this happen, the best, even the most powerful people can hope for is a heads up, end quote. WTF, is he trying to send out a warning? Wow, guys, this is crazy. What's happening, right? So people are watching. So people watch the movies, guys. I mean, the movie, and it's about foreign hackers, right? A lot of occult symbolisms embedded into the movie, guys. Isolation, synchronized chaos, right? Civil war and collapse. I may have to watch it at this point, right? I may have to watch it. Because it seems like everything we have been talking about for years, it's all in this movie. What? That's insane. Listen carefully. I'm not going to play it, but they're basically warning us. Basically, I'm going to. By the way, I'll leave everything in the description below, so you guys can investigate further if you do wish to. Leave. So they're saying it's decoded, guys, right? People being locked, to say. Let's check this out. Locked outside, right? Meaning, you couldn't go on your phones or anything. And then all these things, guys. So people are decoding the movie. It seems as insane stuff. I don't know. And then if you thought that was crazy, well, look at this, right? They always say it before it takes place, guys. The ripple effects. Look at that. The ripple effects of cyber attacks. If that's not a warning, I don't know what is. Okay, quickly. Once in a lifetime, Beetlejuice will briefly disappear in once in a lifetime coincidence, right? Once in a lifetime Patriots. What's happening over here? 12, 11, 22. Wow, is that 1 year delta? It definitely is. Could it tie into this, right? That star, as you guys can see. Fascinating. It will disappear for 7 seconds tonight, guys. So we may as well pay attention, right? Look at that. These eclipses seem very significant, to say at least, not financial advice. Now, the fountain for today's video comes from Art of Information 5, 8, and 9. Solar eclipse black moon for 30th 2022. 589 days later, Alex Jones is back on X, guys, right? 12/10/2023, and now he's following 589 people as well. 589 different accounts. 589 days from this, guys, to now. I mean, it seems like we're living in some type of crazy simulation. How? right? Could it just be all a coincidence? I don't know. You let me know. But it seems like events are accelerating, to say the least. Let us prepare for the new world. Now, nature ways. My name is Sophie Amazingness. See ya.